Hi, it's V with Crafting Daily Dose, and today I have a technique video showing you how to do mirror image stamping. I'm using the beer mug image from the Brewed for You stamp set, but you can use any stamp. First, let's see what the original image looks like. So as you can see, the handle is over here on the right. To create the mirror image, I'll start by stamping onto my silicone mat. Now my stamp is mounted on a Stamparatus tool, but you can do this first step using a regular clear block as well. You can find the link to the supply list in the description box below. I'm pressing firmly to get a good transfer of that ink. The wet ink is going to sit on top of the silicone mat, and I'll press my paper down on top of it. Now you do need the Stamparatus if you want to do this next optional step. I'm stamping once more on top just with the leftover ink. So this is the image down here that was transferred from the silicone mat, and because I'm using my Stamparatus, I can also create the original image on top, and that's helpful if you have a matching die, because then this image acts as a guide so that you know how to place it. And when you run this through your cut and emboss machine, you're going to be able to cut out the image on the other side. Now, if your cutting plates are really etched up, you might want to put some scrap printer paper over this image before you run it through, just so that the other side stays nice and smooth. I was able to use that die to cut out both mugs, including the one that has the mirror image on the other side. And because I protected that surface, it's nice and smooth and doesn't have any etching. I can also use my bone folder to burnish down the edges, and that's going to help make it smoother as well. It's really useful to be able to create the mirror image like this. Here's a card from the Brewed for You workshop. I used the pint glass for this one because it's a nice symmetric shape and it's easy to work with for this particular design. It wouldn't work as well for the beer mugs to clink together since the handles are facing the same way. But when you're able to do the mirror image, then that's going to open up more options. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this technique is helpful to you. If you'd like more ideas for the Brewed for You stamp set, you can find a link to the virtual workshop in the description box. I hope to see you again next time, and until then, have a great day.